because I am giving speeches.
At 7, the party is being now for Belinda. It's her birthday.
How? I thought the party was for me.
Why would my 7 Link be thinking that?
Well, when I listened to you on the phone last night,
I'm thinking I am knowing how you were reading everybody's minds.
I wanted to prove to everyone I could read minds, so I did a little eavesdropping.
Those were private conversations. 7 is now learning it is not right, no matter what you are doing, to be listening to other people's conversations.
Yes, Mom. I'm sorry, everyone.
IDC, I don't care. We don't appreciate you. Nah, Jit about to be witnessed. Pilger, bring Cool Kid in. Hi, 7. I am Cool Kid from Forsaken.
What do you want from me?
I just want to show you one of my cool tricks.
What is it?
It was from my karate class. Let me show you.
What is Bro gonna be doing? Probably one of his dumb tricks.
Corrupt nature.